Hello, my name is Brian Childers. I'll be attending Consensus 2022, and I just thought I'd share with you a quick video on how to get yourself set up using a mobile MetaMask and to use the desk token that will be utilized at the Consensus 2022 conference. So here we go. So the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to go ahead and power up our mobile device. In this case, I do have an iOS device. So we're going to go to the App Store, and we're going to look for the MetaMask application. So here we go, MetaMask application. You can see I've actually downloaded this once before, but I deleted this because I wanted to just give a quick walkthrough on how to set up MetaMask. So go ahead and do this. Just click on download, and what it's going to do is just go ahead and download the wallet. And go ahead and hit open, and here it says welcome to MetaMask, get started. And it looks important an existing wallet to create a new one. So most users, if they haven't used MetaMask, they're going to go ahead and create a new wallet. I have, so I'm going to import using a secret recovery phrase, and I'm just going to go ahead and pause the camera here. So you can see here I've successfully set up MetaMask. It defaults with the account 1 wallet. I imported my secret recovery key / phrases, and I just want to walk through some steps that'll make it easier for you to use MetaMask at Consensus 2022. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change this account 1 here, and I'm just going to say no thanks. And so account 1 here, I'm just going to change this to Consensus. That way I know right away that this wallet is going to be used for my Consensus dealings using Desk and so forth. Now keep in mind, Desk is not meant to be a store of value. It is meant to be used at Consensus, so don't go trading Desk on exchanges or anything like that. If you received some Desk tokens, use it at the conference. That's what the intended use case is. So you can see right here I've managed to rename Consensus. So the next thing you want to note is that we're on the Ethereum main network, and what we need to do is we need to add a new network. You can see here we have the Ethereum main network, and we have all these other networks. So how do we do that? So we're going to go ahead and click on the menu option. We're going to click on settings, alright, and then what we'll do is we'll go ahead and click on networks where it says add and edit custom RPC networks. So you can see we have the other networks here, so we can click on main network. So it says new RPC network. So you can see that we don't have the Polygon network, which is what CoinDesk uses for the desk token on Consensus. So you'll see there's parameters, network name, RPC URL, chain ID, symbol, block explorer, and so on. So how do we do that? Well, let's go ahead and open up an Explorer window. So the question is, how do we add the Polygon network to MetaMask? Well, we can go ahead and do a quick search for Polygon network and RPC. Oh, there we go. Network MetaMask. So that's probably your quickest link here. And you can see here it says docs Polygon technology, and there's also a couple bits. Now, there are ways to automatically add the Polygon network to MetaMask, but I am not fond of magical links or anything like that. I prefer to manually add things in myself, just because I feel then I'm more secure in knowing that I'm the one that put the actual values in. There's nothing that's hidden, things like that. So if we go ahead and click on the add Polygon network, right, and we can go ahead and click on Polygon network 2, you can see here that there's a couple of things that we need. So we can add network name, RPC URL, chain, Matic, and Polygon scan. So we can just simply cut and paste Polygon mainnet. So copy, and then we'll just go back here. Oh yeah, it's going to ask me every single time. So paste that and RPC URL. So just flip back. Okay, Polygon RPC, and copy that. Okay, paste that. Chain ID. Chain ID is 137. Okay, so I'll just punch that in myself. 137. Symbol is Matic. ATC. And block explorer URL. That's optional, but I would go ahead and take the time to add that in. So Polygon scan is the block explorer URL. So just copy that. And then, okay, just one more check to make sure. And then paste that. Paste Polygon scan. And then we will click on add. You have switched to Polygon mainnet. Things to keep in mind. It says the native token on this network is Matic, and that is the token used for gas fees. So I don't know if we'll need Matic to claim things, but I might. This is not financial advice, but I might suggest adding just a little bit of Matic just to handle some gas fees to this wallet. And then if you attempt to send assets directly from one network to another, this may result in permanent asset loss. Always make sure to use a bridge, okay? That's not the scope of this video, but here's the next part. Your tokens may not automatically show up in your wallet. You need to add them in manually. Okay, so we're going to say got it. All right. So you can see now, here we have the Ethereum main network, but then you see Polygon mainnet is the other option. So here's the Matic token, but it says don't see your token. You're saying, hey, I want to have some desk added to my wallet. How can I see it? You're going to have to click on import tokens here. And so here it says anyone can create a token, including creating fake versions of existing tokens. So this is where people get scammed, right? Because they'll give a fake token address, but the same token symbol and the same token of precision. So this is really key here. You need to make sure that the token address that you add here is the correct token address. So how we're going to do that, again, we'll just go back to a trusted website, which is going to be CoinDesk, and CoinDesk actually has a walkthrough on how to add the desk token to MetaMask, and we're going to leverage their instructions. So just bear with me, we'll go flip over to the web page and go from there. Alright, so you can see here that I'm on the CoinDesk website. It says get started with Desk, how to set up your wallet. So this is basically the same thing that I'm walking you through right now, but what I'm going to do is actually just kind of replicate the same video that they have. This is more of a community video. This is not the official CoinDesk video, but I just felt that it was worthwhile. Maybe if it's explained a little differently, you may understand things in a different context, or if somebody else explains in a different manner. So you can see they actually do have a video here, so I don't want to discount the official source video here. And again, it goes through creating a wallet, installing, setting up MetaMask, and then switching networks from Ethereum to Polygon, which is what we just went through. And it has that same information, use the same block explorer URL and so forth. And then now what you want to do is make sure you get the correct token address. And so this is what I was talking about. First, you're going to need the token address. This is the admin address that minted the token. So this being from CoinDesk, I'm going to trust, or implicitly trust, that this is the contract that CoinDesk will want me to. Now, if you were a hacker, you try to break into CoinDesk webpage and change this address, and then get everyone to use a different address other than the one that's listed on the website. So so what we're going to do, we'll just do a nice quick copy here, and then we will go ahead and see it says import tokens. It should, hopefully, when I paste in that token address, it's going to come up with the desk name. So let's just go ahead and just take a look here. So let's swap over to the MetaMask, check my Face ID, etc. So again, going back to import tokens, we're going to paste that token address, and oh, look at that, it came up automatically. It said, hey, that's the desk, and token of precision is 8. So I'm going to go ahead and click on import. So you can see now I have, again, wallet is Polygon mainnet. I just labeled this consensus just to keep it easy for me to keep track if I want to flip uh, between different wallets here. You can see I have Silmatic and I also have Sildesk. So this is the end of the tutorial on how to get a mobile wallet going for Consensus 2022 and beyond, how to get it set up on the Polygon network, and then how to add the Desk token to MetaMask so it's recognized and you can transact easily at Consensus 2022 and beyond. So thanks very much. Have a great day.